Okay then, let's explore effective prompting techniques to maximize the utility of large language models. The effectiveness of an LLM is closely tied to how well the prompt is constructed. Here are some key considerations for creating effective prompts. First, clarity and specificity. The clearer and more specific a prompt is, the better the LLM can understand and fulfill the request. Vague prompts may lead to irrelevant or broad responses. Next, context and detail. Providing sufficient context or detailing specifics can help the LLM generate more accurate and tailored responses. For example, instead of asking for a summary of a story, specifying a summary of a 500-word story focusing on the main conflict can yield more focused results. Then, purpose-oriented prompting. Understanding the end goal of the prompt can help in structuring it more effectively. Whether the aim is to educate, inform, or entertain will dictate the style and content of the prompt. Prompts significantly impact LLM outputs. They are not just passive inputs, but active tools that shape the AI's processing and output. Think of prompts as the steering wheel for LLMs, directing their computational power and determining the nature of their outputs. In summary, mastering the art of prompting is crucial for maximizing the utility of LLMs. By carefully crafting prompts, users can guide the AI to produce more useful, creative, or accurate outputs, enhancing the interaction experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.